In this video, I'll show you how to send money to the Philippines with Revolut. To do this, first go and open up the Revolut app and go to Payments in the bottom. Once you've done that, click plus in the top right and select International. Here, simply go and search for the Philippines. And then once you have selected it, you can then choose how much you want to send and the balance you want to send it from. For example, I'll do 100 Philippine pesos, and if you click on the balance, so where it says personal, you can then select the currency they receive it in, so it can also, for example, be euro, and you can select the currency you are sending. So for me, I can do euro, dollar, Swedish krona, etc. I'll just do euro and click done. From there, you can then choose the transfer method. So in this case, you have bank account or card. Bank account has a fee of €1.10. Card has a fee of 42 cents, and it arrives in minutes instead of tomorrow. So card is overall the better option, but just select the one that you want to use. And then here add the recipient details. First select whether it's an individual or business. And then if you selected a bank account, you will need to enter their account number and BIC or SWIFT. If you did a card, you will need to enter the card details you want to send to, and then enter their first and middle names and their last names, and optionally their email. And from there, click add recipient, and then go and pay for it and confirm the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in the Philippines. So now you know how to send money to the Philippines with Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.